This video is for Yasri and Joey, so if you dislike this video on YouTube, you're a cunt. I want that to be perfectly known for our practice videos. They'll all have like 4 or 5 dislikes. Like, what the fuck? The people aren't even, these videos aren't for you. Fuck off.
Jeez. It's not for you, fuckers.
It's not for you. It's just because it's easy to fucking upload on my phone. It's easier than trying to send this shit. Okay. This is the grinder. Like in the movies, bitch. Listening to the song, the riff, the first time that we go through the chorusy thing that Tanner does with the vocals, I've been down before, you got me fucked up, whatever, the riff. Joey, you and I are going to be doing the breakdown underneath of that too, so just keep in mind that our part through that, let's see. So there's that part. Every time we go through the chorus, there's also another guitar part that's underneath of there. Underneath of the. Underneath of that, it's going. That's the two parts that are mainly different. There you go. It's your video.